So I'm getting this big truck inspected tomorrow, this UD 1800 1991. It's a dump truck, but anyway, it doesn't matter what you have. My hazards weren't working on one side. It was a really weird situation where they were only working on the right side when I went to check them. And this is exactly what I just did to resolve that. I'll show you. I Googled this, all the information, all the people said that it turned out to be their switch. And I looked at my switch and it looked fine, but when I disconnected this wire harness behind it, a few of them looked a little burnt. So what I did was I packed a bunch of grease in here, dielectric grease, plugged it back in, and boom, both sides are working. Here, I'll show you. It's like once in a lifetime. It's never this simple, ever. But in this case, it works. So it's probably your switch. If you have the old manual type of switch, from there I would check your flashers and check the connections to each one of your lights, make sure nothing's shorted out, check your fuses. But I hope this helps your situation.